We are here at Missouri Teardrop Trailers open house for 2020. Stick around and check it out. All right, well, there's a great selection out here, so we're going to check out what is available and show you all along the way. So here's the 320s, which that'd be just a step up above ours.
Some of them have showers, some of them don't, which is a nice option. You can also get those in a clamshell, which is where you got the kitchen out back. Quite a few options.
The 400s here, they used to be the big boys in the new camp lineup until the Avia came along, but they're still pretty nice size. All right, and this is the newest in the new camp lineup. It's the new Avia, which is 28 foot. Pretty much anything you'd ever want in this thing.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So of course there's plenty of tags out here. They keep a pretty good selection of those. So if you're in the market for any new camp products, make sure you come down and check out Missouri Teardrop Trailers. He always has a great selection and they're great people to work with. Hope you enjoyed this video. Quick look at the open house here, and we will see you in the next one.